Hi everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark. In this video we're going to do another really easy design using Bloom & Gel and gel polish. So we're going to use Pillar Box Red, my favourite red ever.
What's so good about this red?
It's just the best shade of red. I've literally got hundreds of shades of red and I always just use this one. It's so good. And everyone actually asks for this now, by name. I think I've pushed it too much up there as well.
It is very red, no doubt.
It's just if you're gonna go red, this is the red you're gonna go. Okay, with this, we'll do 2 coats of this. We're going to now do a thin coat of Bloom & Gel. Take our Snow White and a dotting tool. And I'm just going to do Then you're going to take 0003 detailing brush and from the top pull through. And there it is. Super easy. Could even use that as Valentine's Day, couldn't you? Looks like love hearts, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, with that, we'll finish this off with some top coat now. If I thought I could appropriately put some diamonds on it, I definitely would. I don't think it needs any. I just love using Bloom & Gel. I think it's so clever. There it is. Gorgeous. It reminds me of something and I can't think what.
I don't know, it's a bit like pop arty, isn't it?
I don't know what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Looks so good on our 10 nails, that.
Yeah, it would. Really effective.
Hope you all enjoyed that video. Easy Bloom & Gel design. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and all the products will be listed down below, and we'll see you in the next video.